Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. If this is the first time visiting this channel, please do your best to subscribe to this channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified each time we upload a new content. Try to share this video to your network so that YouTube will feature to a very high audience. Make sure you comment and try to like this content. Right now, I'm going to take you to VIPWFS Profitable Signal channel, which is a Telegram signal channel. It's a Telegram channel where I drop VIP for a signal on synthetic signals for synthetic market. Right now, this is my subscriber. This morning, he just made a huge profit. You can see this is a real account. You can deposit, withdraw, and see your balance. You see that profit here. These signals, see these signals that are profiting, these are huge signal. If we add all the profit, I think they're mostly V75 signal here, and you see 201S. So start to enroll for VIPWFS Profitable Forex signal channel. It's a Telegram channel. Once you enroll, your life will change. We have 3 packages: the monthly, which is $100 renewable; yearly, which is $840 renewable, 40% discount; and lifetime, which is $1,000. You only pay it for life. You see, these are just small lot sizes. You see, because the account equity was small, that's why some of you might have up to $2,000 in your account. Imagine all this profit you are seeing here. If the lot size were increased, that would be huge. Okay, start changing your life. Stop losing because you are trading yourself. You need powers. You need someone that know the road to success, the road to financial freedom, the road to make money in the synthetic forex market. Thank you and remain successful because you are taking action. Bye for now.